Vanakkam, this is Anto. Welcome to Color Pencils. Today we will talk about diabetic mellitus and its herbal remedies. Diabetic mellitus is a chronic disease. It occurs when our pancreas produces little or no insulin. Pancreatic hormones are secreted directly onto the bloodstream and circulate throughout the body through cells to fuel our daily metabolic activities. There are three main hormone secreting cells in pancreas: alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells. Alpha cells secrete glucagon and it increases blood glucose levels. Beta cells secrete insulin and reduces blood glucose levels. Delta cells secrete somatostatin. It secretes both glucagon, insulin and growth hormones. Insulin is a hormone secreted by pancreas that consists of amino acids which breaks down the food we eat into glucose and pass through the bloodstreams into our body cells in the form of glycogen to produce energy. There are three types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, gestational diabetes. Now we will look into each of the following. Type 1 diabetes. It can develop at any age but mostly prone to children and adolescents. When the pancreas stops producing insulin, glucose stops moving from the bloodstreams into body cells. This leaves too much glucose circulating in your blood and it leads to high blood pressure. The following are the common symptoms of type 1 diabetes: excessive hunger, excessive thirst, blurred vision, fatigue, frequent urination, weight loss, etc. To keep type 1 diabetics under control, we need to intake daily insulin injections. Type 2 diabetes. It can develop at any age but mostly prone to middle-aged and older people. The pancreas secretes little or high levels of insulin, but the body cells resist the function of insulin. Hence the glucose levels gets built up in the blood because of insulin resistant and leads to high blood pressure, overweight, high cholesterol, etc., making it a lifelong disease. Dark rashes around the neck or armpits are called acanthosis nigricans. These are the common signs for insulin resistance in the body. The following are the common symptoms of type 2 diabetes: excessive hunger, excessive thirst, blurred vision, fatigue, frequent urination, weight gain, numbness in hands and feet, wounds that don't heal, etc. Type 3 gestational diabetes. Chances of women getting gestational diabetes are very high during pregnancy. During pregnancy, the placenta makes hormones that cause a high glucose buildup in the body. Usually, the pancreas secretes enough insulin to handle the high glucose, but if the body doesn't secrete enough insulin or stops secreting the insulin, then due to the glucose buildup in the body, the high blood pressure and the high blood sugar levels rise and you get gestational diabetes. There are two types of gestational diabetes: class A1 and class A2. Class A1. It can be managed through a strict diet and exercise. Class A2. It can be only controlled through intake of insulin injections and medications. Gestational diabetes goes away after the childbirth. Chances of the newborn child getting type 1 diabetes are high. The women also have chances of getting type 2 diabetes in their older age. Mother Nature has given us some wonderful fruits and herbs that can help to alleviate the diabetes, controlling the high and low sugar levels in our body, boosting the pancreas to secrete enough insulin, repairing the body cells that resist insulin. Red cabbage is a boon for cancer and diabetes patients. The natural red pigments called betalains helps to lower blood sugar levels and boost insulin productions. Lady's finger, vendakai, helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels and aids in enhancing insulin secretions. Also, the seeds are full of alpha glycosidase inhibitors that prevents starches from converting to glucose. Bitter gourd or pavarkai has the capacity to stimulate pancreas. Bitter gourd tea, juice or a curry preparation are some ways to consume it. A cup of fresh bitter gourd juice mixed with 1 tablespoon of amla juice can enable natural insulin secretion. Fenugreek seeds or vendayam, known to reduce blood sugar levels. They can be used in various forms like powder or seeds soaked in hot water to reduce your rising blood sugar levels, or overnight soaked and sprouted seeds can be added to salads or idli dosa batter. Turmeric. Its extracts are also known to act directly on pancreatic beta cells to help produce insulin normally. Sri Lankan cinnamon or surul pate. This barky spice not only makes cells sensitive to insulin but also works similar to natural insulin produced by our pancreas. Sprinkle some cinnamon in your meals, tea, or try a cinnamon supplement. Insulin plant or jarul is known for its antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-cancerous, or also helps in boosting insulin productions naturally by activating beta cells of pancreas. We can chew 1 or 2 leaves every morning to be healthy. Other foods like flax seeds, grapes, aloe vera juice are also known to repair beta cells and helps insulin secretion naturally. I hereby request each and every one of us to take care of your health and remember, இயற்கை உணவே மருந்து. Natural food is medicine. Jai Hind, your Santo.